Let's look at how to find the equation of the tangent using slope equation method. So we have question on the board. Let the equation of the tangent be y equal to ms plus c. So this become our first equation. Then the equation of the parabola be y squared equal to 4px. So we have to solve these two equations simultaneously. We are going to put equation 1 into equation 2. So put equation 1 into equation 2. And we are going to get mx plus c squared equal to 4px. Then we expand the brackets. So m squared x squared plus 2mxc plus c squared equal to 4px. Then we equate this to 0 by bringing what we have on the right hand side to the left hand side. So we have m squared x squared plus 2mxc minus 4px plus c squared equal to 0. Then we arrange the coefficients of the middle term here. So we have m squared x squared plus, so we take the x out and write the rest in the brackets. This will give you 2mc minus 4p, then x is taken out, plus c squared equal to 0. So over here, we have the expression to be in the form of quadratic. And since this line is a tangent to the parabola, then this quadratic equation will have equal roots. So if it will have equal roots, they are going to have the equal roots to be in the form b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So we substitute what we have here into this discriminant. So over here, we have b squared to be 2mc minus 4p squared minus 4a is the m squared multiplying c is the c squared equal to 0. So with this one, we are going to expand the brackets. So we have this to be 4m squared c squared, then minus 4 times 2 8 times 2 16 m cp, then plus 16 p squared minus 4m squared c squared, which is equal to 0. So with this one, 4m squared c squared and the negative 4m squared c squared we're going to cancel out. So we are going to have negative 16 mcp equal to negative 16 p squared. So we divide both sides by negative 16 p, negative 16 p. So we are going to get, this will cancel out. So mc is equal to p. We are going to get mc is equal to p. And I have let you know that this p can be any variable. So in some questions, they use a or any variable to present the p. So this gives you the condition of the tangency. So with this, using the equation of the tangent, it's going to be, so make c the subject to replace what we have here. So our c is going to be p over m. P over m. So when we replace it here, therefore the equation of the tangent will be in the form y equal to mx plus p over m. And this is the equation of the tangent. This is the general equation of the tangent in terms of the slope. All right, let's try this question. This question appeared in 2017 WASSCE. 2017 WASSCE. It is related to this proof. So let's see. In the line y equal to ms plus c is a tangent to the parabola y squared plus 4x. They are asking us to show that mc is equal to negative 1. All right, so we are going to write these two equations and solve them simultaneously. So y solution. So y equal to mx plus c will give you our equation 1. Then you write this into the normal standard equation of a parabola. This will give you y squared is equal to negative 4x equation 2. So we're going to put equation 1 into equation 2. So we're going to get mx plus c squared equal to negative 4x. Expand the brackets here. We have m squared x squared plus 2mxc plus c squared equal to negative 4x. Then equate this to 0 by bringing negative 4x to the left hand side. So we have m squared x squared plus 2mxc plus 4x plus c squared equal to 0. Then For the 2 immediate term, you are going to take the x out and write the rest in bracket. So m squared x squared plus into bracket 2mc plus 4, then x is taken out, plus c equal to 0. All right, so since this is a line on the tangent of the parabola, we are going to say that the quadratic equation formed here has equal roots. So if it has equal roots, they are going to compare this by comparing it by the discriminant b squared minus 4ac equal to 0 because it has equal roots. Then we substitute what we have here. So the b is the coefficient of the x, and the a is the coefficient of the x squared, and there's our constant. So we have 2mc plus 4 squared. Then we have, so let's do 8 here. So over here we have 2mc plus 4 squared. Then minus 4a, and the a is m squared. Then multiplying c, and c is the c squared. So let's expand the brackets. So we have, this will give you 8 times 2, 16mc. This for the first one, this is 4mc. Then this will give you the 16mc. So this is squared. Then we have 16, then minus 4m squared c squared equal to 0. All right, so with this one, you cancel out this against this. So 16mc plus 16 equal to 0. So you make mc the subject, 16mc equal to negative 16. Divide both sides by positive 16, positive 16. Then this will give you mc is equal to negative 1. So as required, this is what we have. All right, so if you use the slope equation strategy to derive the equation of the tangents, you pass through this process using a simultaneous equation and the relative question given to us in the 2017 WASSCE, and that is in relation to the proof over here. Thank you very much for watching this video.